In today's video, I will teach you how to turn a video into a GIF using PicMonkey. Let's get started. To make a GIF from a video, you can start with a blank canvas or any design template that you prefer. To start from a blank canvas, go to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image option, and select Blank Canvas. Now, scroll down until you see the right canvas for your design. You also have the option to input your custom size at the upper right corner of the panel. Now, to start from a template, simply go back to the homepage, click on Edit New Image option, and select Templates. Here, you can choose from thousands of templates that you can freely customize. Once your canvas or template is open, it's time to upload your video. To do this, go to the side panel, go to Photos and Videos, and here you have the option to either use a stock video from PicMonkey's stock library, or you can upload your own files by clicking on the Add Photo or Video button. Once your video is uploaded, you can now drag and drop the video onto the canvas. And if you're using a template, you can replace a video on your template by simply right-clicking on the video that you would like to replace and select Replace Image. You also have the option to trim your video by selecting the video first, then go to the sidebar and select Trim Video. Here, you can drag the left and right handles to trim down your video. And once you're satisfied with the length of your video, you can now press the trim button to save it. Now, you have the option to animate your design, but if you're satisfied with your video, you can now save it. To animate your design, select the video that you wish to animate. Then go to the sidebar and open the Animate tab. Here, you have different animation options to choose from. You can see the preview of each animation by simply selecting one, and you can remove the animation by clicking on the Remove Animation button. Once you've chosen the right animation for your video, you can now play the GIF by simply clicking on the play button at the bottom of the editor. To save your video GIF to your computer, simply click on the download button and make sure to set the file type to GIF animated image before downloading the GIF. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.